that's fun to eat. Hey, 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 so say. H is for heart filled with love, shining warmly from above. H is for hot dog in a bun so neat, a yummy snack that's hard to beat. H for hand, waving hello, greeting friends wherever you go. H is for hammer, strong and bright, helping to build with all its might. H is for hippo, splashing in the stream, big and happy, living the dream. H is for hive, buzzing with bees, making sweet honey with such ease. H is for helmet, protecting your head,